Everything looks really nice. You can see the quality of the tabletop. We got the Ultra HD badge right there too. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Seville Classics Ultra HD Workbench. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. This is a very heavy desk with a solid hardwood surface, 1.75 inches thick. We have adjustable heights, so anywhere from 28.5 inches all the way up to 42 inches, and you can adjust it in 1.5 inch increments. Powder coated heavy duty steel frame, QR code you can scan, and you can see the full dimensions right here. And this has a 2,000 pound loading capacity. You can learn more about that right here on the side. But check out the box. Everything looks great. Now let's go ahead. Let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we got our instruction guide walking us through full setup procedure with charts and diagrams right there. Then you can see we have our feet, we have our hardware kit, we have our wrench tool, the nice solid wood top right here. This is the bottom side with indicators, and you can see all the holes for us all ready to go. Then we have our crossbars right there. We have two identical crossbars for the top and then one for the bottom. And then you can see the legs. So check out the support legs right here. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. So the first step is to get the crossbars installed. You can see they're identical to each other. So we have them lined up with all the holes. We'll walk around. And this is going to be the front. You can see that's clearly marked. But now we're ready to use the included hardware. Very simple and straightforward, guys. We have one bag full of these bolts and washers. And we're going to go ahead. We're just going to line everything up. So take one with the washer, line it up, and tighten everything in place. So now you can see we got everything installed, but we haven't tightened them down fully yet. We're gonna wait to do that until after we get the legs installed. Now let's go ahead, let's get the legs installed. So to install the legs, you can see we just gently put them in place with the brackets. They drop right in. Pay attention to the sticker at the bottom, letting us know which direction the front's gonna be. You can see how that looks too with our height adjustment levers on both sides. So you can also see that over here. We got our sticker letting us know that's going to be the front, and that lines up with our sticker at the bottom. So now we're going to take 8 bolts, 4 for each side with our washers. We're going to drop them in place right there and tighten down. So now everything's fastened down on both sides, and we're going to work on adjusting the height. So again, to adjust the height, we have these levers right here. We have 2 on each side that we're going to remove, and then we can adjust the height accordingly. You can see all the different height adjustment options right here that we have from 28.5 to 42 inches. So now we have the height adjusted right here. So check it out. You can see what we're working with. So I counted 6 holes, and on the 6th hole, that's the one that we went with for our height across the board right here. So per that diagram, that should be 37.5 inches. Now we're ready to go ahead and assemble the remaining crossbar. Now the crossbar is installed. So again, we took 2 bolts and 2 washers on each side on the back side of the bottom of our legs, and you can see right there. It's just 4 of those bolts to tighten down. Now our last step is to attach the 4 feet. So we're going to take the feet, and you can see where they're going to thread in on the bottom of the stands. All right, so there we go. We have the feet installed, and everything is fully assembled. So check that out. You can see the feet right here. And if we need to level them, don't forget we can just use the included wrench and turn those in or out. To start, I went ahead and I tightened everything down flush, and we'll reassess once we have it turned over. But there we go. Everything is fully assembled. I'm going to go back through now and make sure everything's nice and snug and tightened down. All right, here's the finished product. Check it out. Everything looks really nice. I'll just kind of walk around. You can see the quality of the tabletop. We got the Ultra HD badge right there too. See it from the bottom somewhat. Looks really nice. Really pleased with the quality. A lot nicer than I was expecting. Just a really nice workbench overall. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.